So we are set to solve question 3a. It says we should factorize 18x squared minus 30x plus 12. Now, if I look very well, these are all multiples of 6. So I can pull out 6 from here. I'll start by pulling out 6. This remains 3x squared. This one remains, if 6 goes here, that will be 5x. If 6 goes in 12, that's going to be 2. So I have this. So I'm going to leave this 6. I'll just deal with the ones in the brackets. If you look at the ones in the brackets, 3x squared and 2 will really give us plus 6x squared. So I can split this into two parts. What are the two numbers? I can split that into such that when I multiply them, I get plus 6x squared. When I add them, I get a middle term. When I add them, minus 5x. So that's going to be minus 3x and minus 2x. So I'm going to replace the middle term by the two new found factors. That's minus 3x and the minus 2x plus 2. I've replaced the minus 5x with these 2. So I go ahead to factorize again now. What's common to this and this? It is 3x. So I pull out 3x and I'm left with x minus 1 minus, what's common to this? It's 2. So 2 into x minus 1. Okay. I'll not say x minus 1 is common. So I'm left with 3x here and I'm left with minus 2 here. 3x minus 2. Okay, this is now 6 into x minus 1, 3x minus 2. That's the answer. This is the factorization there. Then let's look at the second part of the question. This second part of the question says if y varies directly as x squared. Okay, I think I can float that as x squared. Then let's float it and then move on to the b part. That's 3b now. Y varies directly as x squared, which of course means I can write y is equal to kx squared, and we're given y to be 15. The k is not given, but the x is given. What's the x? The x is given to be 9 square. Then where to find the constant? This 15 is equal to 81k. Okay, 9 square is 81. So 15 over 81 is going to be the k. This is the answer to the first part of the question. Answer to the B1, the constant of variation. That's the constant of the variation. So the real equation is going to be y is equal to, y is equal to 15 over 81 x squared. It used to be y is equal to kx squared. And I found my x to be, my k to be this. So I replaced k there. So what is y when x is 7 over 81 times 7 times 7? This is gonna be let's see, 15 times 7 times 7, 15 times 7 times 7, that is 735 over 81. That's going to be the answer to the second part of the question. That's the answer to the second part of the question. Okay, that solved the problem.